Abdali Grammar School, Primary Mathematics, Lesson 4, Dividing by a one-digit number, Chapter number 2, Lecture number 8, 69 Abdali Road, Islampura, Lahore. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. Today our topic is division. Student, tell me what is division. Tell me, student. Yes. Division is splitting into equal parts or groups. Division is splitting into equal parts or group. Division is splitting into equal parts or group. Student, for division we have some steps to follow. Our step 1 is divide the thousand by given digit. Our step 2 is divide the hundreds by given digit. Our step 3 is divide the tens by given digit. And our last and the fourth step is divide the ones by given digit. Student, by following these 4 steps, we have to solve our examples. Student, our first example is divide. Check if your answer is reasonable. Our question is shown 2093 divided by 7. 2093 divided by 7. Student, our question is check if your answer is reasonable. First, we estimate the answer. First of all, we estimate the answer. For estimate the answer, student, first of all we estimate our question number, that is 2093. 2093 approximately equal to 2100. Student, we estimate 2093 up to 100 place, because at 100 place 0 is right. So we estimate 2093 up to 100 place. At tens place 9 is right, so 1 is add at 100 place. So 2093 approximately equal to 2100. Now student, we divide 2100 by 7, we get 300. Student, now what we do now? Now we divide 2093 by 7. Now we divide our question 2093 by 7. Students, let's start to divide. 7 2 is 14. We write 14 under 20. 7 2 is 14. We write 14 under 20. Now student, we subtract 14 from 20. When we subtract 14 from 20, we get 6. Now student, we write 9 with 6. It's 96. Now we divide 96 by 7. When we divide 96 by 7, we get 7 9 is 63. So we write 63 under 69. Now what we do now? Student, we subtract 63 from 69. When we subtract 63 from 69, we get 6. And we write 3 with 6. Student, now we divide 63 by 7. 7 9s are 63. we write 63 under 63. When we subtract 63 from 63, we get 0. Student, here our remainder is 0 and our quotient is 299 and we get our quotient 299. Student, when we divide 2093 by 7, we get our quotient 299. Now student, check if your answer is reasonable. Let me check our answer is reasonable or not. Student, when we divide 2093 by 7, we get 299 and our estimated answer is 300. Student, 299 is close to our estimated answer, that is 300. So the answer is reasonable. Now student, let's start to solve our second example of division. Divide, check if your answer is reasonable. Student, here our question is shown. 6148 divided by 6. 6148 divided by 6. First of all, student, we estimate the answer. We estimate 6148 up to 1000. At 100 place 1 is right, so no change at 1000 place. So we write 6000 as it is and we write 3 zeros instead of 100 tens and ones. Now student, what we do now? We find our estimated answer by dividing 6000 by 6. When we divide 6000 by 6, we get our estimated answer, that is 1000. Now student, what we do now? Now we divide 6148 by 6. 610 is 60. So we write 60 under 61. When we subtract 60 from 61, we get 1. Now student, we write 4 with 1. It's 14. Now student, when we multiply 6 by 2, 6 2 is 12. We write 12 under 14. When we subtract 12 from 14, we get 2. And we write 8 with 2. It's 28. Now student, when we multiply 6 by 4, we get 24. And when we subtract 20 from 28, we get our remainder 4. Now student, when we subtract 20 from 28, we get our remainder 4. And when we divide 6148 by 6, we get our quotient 1024. Student, when we divide 6148 by 6, we get our answer 1024 and our estimated answer is 1000. Student, 1024 approximately equal to 1000. So we write 1024 is close to 1000, so the answer is reasonable. Thanks for watching.